Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick in an XLT trim. The Maverick is Ford's all-new compact pickup truck, coming standard as a two-wheel drive hybrid. However, this model is all-wheel drive capable with a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And looking into the bed, which is highly modular, and you'll see these QR codes here, which can be scanned to give you some ideas of what you can do with the space provided. And this vehicle does also have the 4K tow package, giving you some greater capability. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, and a 120 volt power outlet and USB and USB-C. And underneath the seats, you have some pretty deep storage bins, again with this QR code to give you some ideas of what you can do here. And looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, your My View, your Now Playing, phone controls, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And further to the left, you have your trailer brake controller as part of the tow package. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And above that, you have a little bin, and to the side, you have another little bin. Below that, you have your media controls as well as your hazards, and moving down further, you have your climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use. Below that, you have a USB, USB-C, and 12 volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge from there. And then you have this tray area here with spots where you can put your phone or something, and your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, 2 cup holders, parking brake, and then some of your other controls such as your traction control shut-off, brake hold, auto start stop shut-off, and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have 2 little cubbies here, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious for all of your stuff. And last but not least, you do have a power moonroof up top so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.